The resin in my 3D printer likes to be a cozy 20 to 30 degrees, and so I know it's warm enough. I want to fit a thermometer. Nothing fancy, the sort you might use for an aquarium or fridge, and I'm sticking this on the outside of the cover with a double-sided sticky foam pad, making sure I can still access the battery compartment for when that needs changing. I may well do a more permanent fix for this later on, but it'll certainly do for now. The temperature probe is at the end of a cable, which I want to feed inside the cover, so it's close to the resin tank, measuring the ambient temperature inside. And having made a mark one side of the thermometer, I can drill through the top of the plastic cover, so I can push in the probe and feed it down to the bottom corner, where it will be well out of the way of the internal gubbins. A little bit of tape holding it to the back of the cover, leaving the probe dangling. Then just to keep everything tidy and out of the way, another piece of tape can hold the top of the cable, with the excess length bunched up and re-tied just under the top of the cover, where it can hang down out of the way. The hole eventually filled with some epoxy glue, holding the cable in place and sealing the gap. Then with the cover back on the printer, we can see the probe inside, measuring the temperature and displaying it on the LCD screen, easy to see on top of the printer. Of course, it's not actually heating the resin. My little Mars 4 doesn't have the space for an internal heater, but cranking up the heating in the spare room soon gets it up to temperature, ready for printing, which in itself generates heat inside the enclosure, maintaining the temperature so we can turn off the heater. It's job done.